Hello friends, this video shows how to replace all instances of one substring with another. Here for that first we are giving the string value to the variable s, that is hello world. Then using the replace method we can replace the substring from this string to another substring. So print s dot replace and the value we need to replace, that is L, to K or M. So we will get the result worm. The L values will be replaced with M. So this is a replace function which will replace all instances of one substring with another or one character with another. Thanks for watching this video.